Welcome back, everyone. My name is Lee from Louie's Kitchen. Today, I thought we'd make dessert, and I thought we'd do something quick and easy. So I've got some canned rhubarb that I did a few months ago, and I thought, let's make a crumble. So today, I thought I'd make a rhubarb crumble using some canned rhubarb that I made a few months ago. And look, if you don't have anything canned, you could use anything that you have. So apples, pears, um, if you got canned apples, that'd go fantastic with it, nice and easy. I've got rhubarb here, so I thought, let's make a nice, easy rhubarb crumble, and I'm going to make some delicious sugar-free ice cream to go with it. That's scoopable, and yeah, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So for this recipe, you just need some really easy ingredients. So you've already got them all in your pantry, so you can make this anytime you want to. So first of all, you're going to need about half a cup of butter, and we're going to microwave that and melt that. You need a cup of all-purpose flour. Then I've got a cup of rolled oats. So this is the quick oats, but you could use normal ones as well. Then we've got half a cup of brown sugar. And we've got our canned rhubarb, of course. I've got 3 jars of that. And also I've got some cinnamon and some vanilla. So this should go pretty easy. And it's all a matter of just whacking it all together and put it in the oven. All right, so I've just melted our butter in the microwave. Got our flour, our rolled oats, our brown sugar, cinnamon. Now I'm just going to just sprinkle some in. I'm not going to measure it. And then with the vanilla, I'm just going to put this into the butter. And that way it'll just distribute a bit easier. Just give this a mix quickly. Get those lumps of the brown sugar out. And I don't like my crumble too sweet, so that's why I've only got half a cup of brown sugar in there. You could always add more, but that's my choice anyway. All right, that was pretty good there. So now we're going to add our butter. And we don't want it to be like almost like a dough or anything like that. We just want it just crumbly, so it's almost coming together there. As you can see, still quite crumbly. All right. And also, I've got my air fryer preheated to 170 degrees. Gas oven, you probably go up to 180 degrees. And I'll put the Fahrenheit conversions in. Not too good at doing that. So that's it. So now I'm going to grab our Pyrex baking dish. I'm going to grab our canned rhubarb. Rhubarb is actually our first fruit that I've actually ever canned, so I didn't have a use for it at the time, so I thought I'd just can it. And here we go. So I'm just going to quickly just spread that all out. And if I had some apples or something like that, I'll put that in there as well. But I don't have any apples at the moment, so unfortunately, we can have rhubarb. Now it's just a matter of just spreading this mixture on top. Get all that out. That's it. And we're going to bake that in the oven. As I said, it's about 170 degrees for about 45 minutes. If you were using, let's say, some fresh apples, instead, you probably cook it a bit longer, so maybe for about an hour. All right, so let's get this into the oven, and it should take about 45 minutes, and I'll show you when we get back.
To go with the crumble, I thought I'd make a nice, easy semi-freddo ice cream. So it's really easy. It's got egg yolks, egg whites, sweetener of your choice. I'm using allulose because it mimics sugar, some vanilla, and some fig and cream. That is all you need for a semi-freddo, and it's so easy to make. So first of all, we're going to beat the fig and cream to stiff peaks, and then we're going to put that into the refrigerator while we beat up the other two. And then we're going to beat the egg yolks with the sweetener or sugar of your choice. Now, to be honest, if you've eaten raw cake mix or you've eaten mayonnaise, you should be right with the raw egg. A lot of people don't like the idea, but I don't have any issues, but that's up to you. Also add just a little bit of vanilla into that as well, till that is nice and light and fluffy. And then we're going to clean our beaters, and then we are going to beat the egg whites to stiff peaks. And after the eggs are just foamy, we're going to add the sweetener as well. And to know that your egg whites are at stiff peaks, you should be able to turn your bowl over and it shouldn't move. Now we're going to add the egg yolk mixture to the whipped cream. And I'm just going to use the beaters to combine that all together. Then we're going to add the egg whites. Now, yeah, I only meant to fold in the egg whites, but I'm going to be honest, I don't have any issues with using a hand mixer for egg whites, so I'm going to use my hand mixer to stir in those egg whites. That's it. That's how easy it is. So I've got a loaf pan that I've lined with cling film, and I've just added the ice cream to the tin, and then I've covered it with cling film to stop it from icing up.
All right, so the crumble's been in the oven for about 40 minutes, and I saw that it looked ready, so I took it out, and I'll let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Now, enough me. I knew there was a lot of juice in the rhubarb, and I didn't drain that, so it has made a little bit cakey, but there is still quite a bit of crumble in it, and so I'm not too fussed anyway. But next time, I'll probably drain the rhubarb before I go put it in it. So let's dish it up. So I've made some sugar-free semi-freddo ice cream, just vanilla to go with it, and it's so scoopable. It's so easy to make. You don't even need an ice cream maker to make it. So I'm gonna put a video after this how to make it quickly as well. So let's dish it up. And as I said, you could do this with any sort of can, any if you can fruit, anything like that. Apples, pears. I think it would turn out really good. So we've got this. And then let's try and scoop this ice cream. I made this a few days ago, and it's just come out the freezer, so let's see how easy it is to scoop. That's literally been out the freezer for like 3 minutes. Oh, Mitty's hungry. Always wants attention. How easy is that? Go. Right, let's give it a go. So the homemade ice cream. It's so good. And it's like literally 6 ingredients. It's so easy to make. Some rhubarb with some ice cream. And it's so good for a winter's night. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe because we've got lots to come. Hope to see you soon.